So how does the tripod of life create the bodies of soul? Well, when you take the Trinity of creation and the knowledge, spirit, and elemental bodies, and you cross them over to that as shown in the tripod of life, you will create the bodies of soul. You take the knowledge body and the spirit body, and you cross them over, and the knowledge body breaks down into the intellectual and mental body. The spirit body then breaks down into the spiritual and the mental body. If you take the elemental body and you cross it with the spirit body, then you're going to break that element down into what its energetic existence is and the emotional state that is created when that energetic existence mixes with the spirit. And then you take the energetic existence and you mix it with the intellectual, and that is where we program all of our information into our DNA, and you have the physical body. You take the elemental and it is broken down into the energetic and physical bodies, giving you the tripod of life, the triquerta in the center with the physical, the mental, and the emotional, the bodies of soul. Now, I use the bodies of soul to understand how we experience the different dimensions and how we are a multidimensional being. If you look at this, you can see the triquerta represents the four dimensions. The first dimension of the mental dimension of me, myself, and I. The second dimension of what do I do, where am I, the emotional dimension. The third dimension where things become physical objects. And the fourth dimension of time and space that we hold within as well as without. You take the tripod of life and you put a circle around it, because we are all connected, all one, all cell, unity. However, now you look at this, there will be 10 dimensions represented inside. If you look at the tripod of life, the triquerta part as the physical being, then we experience 4 dimensions within: the physical, the mental, the emotional, and the soul, or at the time of the soul or heart body is what I like to call the very center is the heart body to me. So if you take the triquerta, you will see that you have the physical, the mental, and the emotional bodies. The first 3 dimensions, the mental body, the second dimension, the emotional body, and the third dimension where we make things physical. And the fourth dimension is time and space, is represented in the center where they overlap. I call this in the heart diagram the heart body, or I call this in the diagram of the bodies of soul the heart body. It is where everything can come together and be figured out. What is within is with what is the same as what is without, and you can sort through everything through the heart. So that is it for today. If you liked any of this and it helped you understand the soul any better, or how we can work with the soul and experience the soul, please hit the like button, share it, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.